Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been such a long time since I haven't done a cooking video, but today I brought you an exciting video, and today we are making a fruit parfait. So look at all of these nice ingredients I'm going to be telling you. So we have our fruit bowl with strawberries, kiwis, grapes, and bananas. We have chocolate chip cake right here, and I just crumbled it to get like that crumbly effect. We also have two types of yogurts, cherry and blueberry. We have our two nuts. We have some almonds and cashews, and we have some raisins here. And we also have some Cool Whip, my favorite part. So I think we should just get started. I'm so sorry, I just found out that these are not raisins, these are dry cranberries. Sorry for my apologies. Now, we should really get on with this video because I'm getting hungry. First of all, we have our cute Parfait cups. Look at how adorable these are. What we're gonna do is we are going to do 1 spoon of the cake in here. Maybe 2. Try to get big spoons. I'm gonna actually make 4 of these, perfect for the whole family. Next, I'm going to add 1 spoon of each fruit. So first I'm gonna do bananas on this side. Then some grapes. Make sure you eat your fruits every day because they're delicious and they're good for you. Now I did some kiwi, and lastly, my very, very, very favorite, strawberries. So good, I can't wait to eat them, but we have 2 more to make, so I'm gonna quickly make them and get back to you. Look at how good these turned out. These look so yummy. As you guys can see, I put basically all the nuts on here, and then I added obviously some fruits because there was leftovers. Which one do you think I should try? Kiwi, grape, banana, or strawberry? As you know, I like strawberries, so I'm gonna try the strawberry one. Put these to the side to have a moment of truth. Does it taste like a rainbow? Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3. This is really good. Okay, I'm gonna have to finish this after this video. This is really good, and I really recommend you guys to try this because it's really worth it. Like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, guys, family is important. Stay together. Bye.